model, Hyundai Ioad Comfort 2.5 Crdi 116 starts runs needs turbo repair no VAT bargain. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 194,119. Engine, 2497 cc D4 CBW1E5. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Engine is fine straightforward with turbo replacement job, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, electric windows, air con. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740119